Prince Harry causes mild hiccup for King Charles in Australia. Prince Harry has faced criticism for releasing a paperback edition of his book Spare. The Duke of Sussex, who has remained silent as his narrative reaches another milestone, may have played a role in the date's selection during his father King Charles' trip of Australia. According to royal historian Richard Fitzwilliams, it is unclear if Harry set the date for the publishing of his book Spare, or whether its publishers, a random house, decided on it. However, it is awkward to say the least because it coincides with King Charles' extremely significant royal journey. Some would see this as another instance of the Sussexes stealing the spotlight. He stated that the royal family will be happy that he has not reinstated any of the 400 pages he said he deleted because they were too sensitive.